Hey, hello guys. Please like and subscribe. Not to eat a snake because that's disgusting right now. Yeah, that happens the whole time. Just please don't skip this video from the snake. Stop. Okay, that's the video. So here's Screech.
Oh yeah, I definitely eat snakes. Yeah.
Never mind. I just not eat snakes. Yeah, I just hate them. Yeah.
I eat snake the whole time now.
Wait. Did I lose?